Good morning, all. In this chapter, Crystal Physics, today we discuss metallic crystal structures. We know that an important characteristics of the most of the metal is that they are crystalline. That is, the atoms are arranged in some regular, repeatable pattern indefinitely in space. Most of the common metals are found in the structures simple cubic, face-centered cubic, body-centered cubic, and hexagonal close-packed structure. Now we discuss each of the structures in detail. And before going to that, we have to mention some crystal structure terms. The first one is the coordination number. It is the number of equidistant nearest neighbors. The coordination number is defined as the number of equidistant nearest neighbors that an atom has in the given structure. If the coordination number is greater, it must be more closely packed. The next quantity is the nearest neighbor distance. It is the distance between the centers of two nearest neighboring atoms, and it will be 2r if r is the radius of the atom. And the next is atomic radius. Atomic radius can be expressed as half of the distance between the nearest neighbors in a crystalline solid without impurity. If there is any impurity, it may be in between the atoms. So, atomic radius cannot be defined as half of the distance between the nearest neighbors. And the last one is atomic packing factor. The fraction of the space occupied by the atom in a unit cell is known as the atomic packing factor. The fraction of space occupied by atom in a unit cell is known as the atomic packing factor, or packing factor is the ratio of volume of the atoms occupying the unit cell to the volume of the unit cell relating to that structure. Mainly, we use the second definition of the packing factor. That is it is the ratio of volume of the atoms occupying the unit cell to the volume of the unit cell. Now we discuss simple cubic structure. It is the simplest and easiest structure to describe. A figure shows a simple cubic structure. From the figure, it is clear that there is one lattice point at each of the 8 corners in the unit cell. In this structure, each corner atom is shared by 8 unit cells. Hence, the share of each corner atom to the unit cell is 1 by 8 of an atom. Now we have to find the total number of atom occupied in the unit cell of simple cubic. It can be clear from the video. This is the unit cell, and the 1 by 8 share of each corner add up to one atom. As there is 8 corners, each corner has a share of 1 by 8. Then 1 by 8 into 8 gives 1 atom. In this way, the total number of atoms in one unit cell will be 1 atom. Polonium is one of the example of simple cubic structure. We have said that in a simple cubic structure, there is one lattice point at each corner of each of the 8 corners of the unit cell. From this video, it is clear that each atom at any corner is shared by 8 unit cells. A unit cell has 8 atoms in each corner. But all the atoms in the corner is shared by 8 unit cells. Now we have to find the coordination number. For that, we take a center atom. Okay. Then there is nearest neighbors as it is the first one, and it is the second one, it is the third one, it is the fourth one, it is the fifth one, and it is the sixth one. So there is 6 nearest neighbors. So the coordination number is 6. So in the case of simple cubic, the coordination number is 6. As the simple cubic has one atom in the unit cell, it is a primitive cell. Now we have to find out the packing factor for simple cubic structure. To find the packing factor, we have to know the coordination number, it is 6, and nearest neighbor distance 2r, that is equal to a, and lattice constant a is equal to 2r, and the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 1, and number of lattice point is equal to 1. The atomic packing factor is defined as the volume of atoms in a unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. We know that there is one atom in the unit cell. Okay, or the atomic packing factor can be defined as number of atoms into volume of a single atom. Then it must give the volume of atoms in the unit cell. And we know that the number of atoms is equal to 1 and volume of single atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, and the volume of unit cell is equal to a cube. So 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube, and a is equal to 2r. Then 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 2r cube, or that is equal to pi by 6 or 0.52. You have to remember this value pi by 6 and also the 0.52. Okay, or we can say that the atomic packing factor for simple cubic is 52%. Atomic packing factor indicates how densely atoms are packed. Now we discuss the body-centered cubic. Elements that exhibit these structures are lithium, sodium, potassium, etc. This is the structure of body-centered cubic. From the figure, it is clear that the atoms are placed in the corners and also at the body center. In this structure, in a unit cell, there are 8 atoms at its 8 corners and another atom at the body center. As the body center is contained entirely within the unit cell, it is not shared by any surrounding unit cell. So the number of atoms per unit cell in a BCC structure must be 2. It will be clear from this video. We know that each corner has a share of 1 by 8 and there is one atom at the body center. Then the share from each corner contribute to gives one atom and one atom at the body center. So there is 2 atoms in the unit cell. And from the figure, it is also clear that each 8 corner atoms touches the body center atom along the body diagonal. Okay, then the coordination number of this structure must be equal to 8, or it is the number of nearest neighbors must be equal to 8, or the coordination number must be equal to 8. It is the packing of a body-centered cubic. From this, we can identify its nearest neighbors. A single atom is directly connected to 8 neighboring atoms. Then the coordination number for BCC is 8. The total atom contained in the unit cell is equal to 1 by 8 into 8 corners gives 1 atom. Then the atom in the body cell, body center, and also so the atoms per unit cell is equal to 2. Now we're going to discuss the packing factor. To obtain the packing factor, we must have the coordination number, that is 8, and nearest neighbor distance, that is the length of the body diagonal. Okay, so here this length is A and this length is A. Then this face diagonal, it must be equal to root 2A. And for this triangle, one side is root 2A and the one side is height is A. Then the body diagonal must be equal to root 3A. Okay. And in the body diagonal, there is the center atom, body center atom, and 2 corner atoms touches. Okay. Then there must be here the cube diagonal length is equal to root 3A, and this length, look at the figure, this length, it is R and it is 2R, it is R, then it is equal to 4R. Then 4R must be equal to root 3A. From that, we obtain 2R is equal to A root 3 divided by 2, or A is equal to 4 by root 3R. And the atomic packing factor is volume of atoms in the unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell, or that is equal to number of atoms in the unit cell into volume of single atom divided by volume of unit cell. Here the number of atoms per unit cell is equal to 2. Okay. And volume of single atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Then 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube. And here we know that A is equal to what? A is equal to 4 by root 3 R. Okay. Then 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 4 by root 3 r all cube, that is equal to 2 root 3 divided by 16 pi, or that is equal to 0.68. That is atomic packing factor in the case of BCC structure is 68%. Next is the face-centered cubic structure. Copper, aluminum, lead, and silver has this structure. Figure shows a face-centered cubic structure. From the figure, it is clear that atoms are placed in each corners and each face centers. Each corners 1 by 8 of an atom contribute the unit cell, and in faces, in the center of face, half of atoms contribute to the unit cell. In the case of FCC lattice, there are 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the unit cell and 6 atoms at the centers of 6 faces. From here, it is clear that the contribution of the atoms to the unit cell gives 1 atom contribute from the corners and 3 atoms contribute from the 6 faces. That is 1 by 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 into 6. That gives 4. So the number of atoms in the unit cell is equal to 4. Now to obtain the coordination number, considering atom at the face center as the origin, it can be observed that this face is common to 2 unit cell and there are 12 points surrounding it situated at a distance equal to half of the face diagonal unit cell. Thus, the coordination number of the FCC lattice must be equal to 12. The atoms touch each other along the face diagonal. From this video, we can obtain the idea of the nearest neighbors is 12. Here we take a face atom in the face center. Then this atom directly connected to 4 corner atoms and 4 face atom on this side, and similarly these 4 atoms. Then total 12 atoms. So the coordination number must be equal to 12. And the contribution from the 6 faces gives 3 atoms, and the contribution from the corner atom gives 1 atom. Then total 4 atoms in the unit cell. Next is the packing factor of FCC structure. So here the coordination number is 12. To find the lattice constant, we have said that the atoms touches in the face, then it is A, and this is A, then the face diagonal must be equal to root 2A, or that is equal to 4R. Then A is equal to 4R divided by root 2, or root 2 root 2R. Number of unit cell is equal to number of atoms in the unit cell is equal to 4. Then the number of atoms in the unit cell into volume of single atom divided by A cube, and A is substituted from here. It is 2 root 2 R, or that must be equal to 0.74, or the packing factor of the FCC structure is 0.74, or that is equal to 74%. The next is the hexagonal close packed structure. The figure gives an hexagonal close packed structure. The unit cell contain one atom at each corner and one atom at centers of the external faces here and here, and 3 more atoms within the body of the cell. This is the packing of hexagonal close packed structure. Six atoms in each corners at the top and bottom, and here the coordination number must be equal to 6 plus 6, that is must be equal to 12. 6 corner atoms and middle layer atoms, bottom and top. Then coordination number here also it is equal to 12. And now we have to find the number of atoms in the unit cell. And each corner of the hexagonal contribute 1/6. Then the number of atoms in the unit cell must be equal to 1/6 into 12 corners. It gives 2 atoms, then 3 middle plane atoms, then total 5 atoms. Sorry, then there is 2 face center atoms. It only contribute 1/2. Then total 6 atoms. The face center atoms gives only 1/2. Then the total number of atoms in the unit cell is equal to 6. Now the packing factor. To find the packing factor, we have to find out the C/A ratio of hexagonal closed pack structure. This side is A, this is A/2. Then cos 30 will give A/2 divided by R, or R is equal to A/2 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to √3/2, or R can be written as A divided by √3. And we have to find C/A ratio. Here, this triangle, taking this triangle, the bottom distance is R and the height is C/2, and A is the hypotenuse. A square must be equal to R square plus C/2 whole square, or R is equal to A by √3. Then this gives C square by 4 is equal to 2/3 A square, or C/A is equal to √8/3, or C/A ratio is given as 2√3 divided by √3, 2√2 divided by √3, or that is equal to 1.63. This is the C/A ratio in the hexagonal closed packed structure. This is required to find the atomic packing factor. Now we're going to obtain the packing factor. The volume of the unit cell can be taken as area of the hexagon into height. It must be equal to 6 into for that we considering this hexagon and divide into 6 portions, then 6 triangles, then the area of single triangle is root 3 by 4a square. Then here we substitute the C by A ratio. Then it is given as 3 root 2, 2r whole cube or 25 root 2 r cube. It is the volume of unit cell. Then the atomic packing factor is equal to volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Volume of atoms is number of atoms into volume of single atom or that is given as pi divided by 3 root 2 or that is equal to 0.74. So the HCP packing factor also is equal to 0.74. FCC and HCP has the same packing factor. Here we conclude the packing factors. The packing factor of simple cubic structure is 52% and hence SC structure is known as loosely packed structure. The packing factor for BCC structure is 68% and hence BC structure is closely packed structure. And the packing factor for FCC and HCP are 74%. Hence, they are known as closest packing structures. Now I stop here. Thank you.